Hey, what is up, YouTube? Let me ask you a question. Have you ever heard of this man, Lex Luthor?
Stetsmarker, when I was 6 years old, my father said to me,
Get out.
before that, he said, son, stocks may rise and fall. Utilities and transportation systems may collapse. People are no damn good, but they will always need land, and they'll pay through the nose to get it.
Yeah, that guy. Seriously. Okay, what he just said is absolutely accurate. Land is something they're not making any more of, but there is a modern day land rush that's going on right now, and I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of Get Domains. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora well pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be a stale as well. Old donuts. You know, I went to Dunkin' Donuts the other day. They gave me a bunch of their leftover donuts at the end of the day, and frankly, wasn't worth picking them up. They're really stale. Bad donuts. You wouldn't think there'd be such a thing, but there is. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and the make money online niche. And why would I do this thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, Bart, really? It's enough. I have one supervillain already on this video. I have Lex Luthor. I need to hear from you too. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, the way things work here is that if I like a product, I will give a tip my head to product career. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. You know, she's a fellow New Yorker. Who can get angry at a fellow New Yorker? Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure that you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified of dropping new videos. So frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking at the sales page right now for Get Domains. Now, this is a course from my friend Bobby Dolce, and basically this course is designed to teach you how to make money by buying domain names for cheap and selling them for a lot of money. Now, I'm not going to share how he does that. What I'm going to tell you is like this. I have a bonus that you are going to go absolutely ape for. I'll tell you why. Because Bobby's going to show you what he's been doing, but I found a secret website that you can buy domains for as little as $5. I've done this myself. Domains with high authority, good names for as little as $5. Okay, and you can flip them for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. I've done it myself, so I know for sure that this works. I'm also going to give you my guide to avoiding procrastination, and I'm also going to give you my guide to e-commerce mastery. So a couple of extra things for you, but the big thing is going to be that particular video, which is a really, really special video that very few people have seen, and nobody else is going to offer to you except for me when you pick up Get Domains. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area so you can see what it looks like. You can see it's your basic members area with all the training that you're going to need included here for you. So he's going to go over everything in order to teach you exactly how you do this and what you do in order to be able to make money from it. Obviously, over here you can see that this is grayed out because I'm not going to give away the website where he has everything stored. Anyway, so let's see if I am going to give a tip as a product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, look, seriously, huge tip in my hat. I know this method works because I've done it myself. I've made money off of it. You can make money too. It's super easy, very, very low bar to get started because you don't even need a website. You don't need a list. You don't need any of that stuff. Okay, you can invest $5 or $10 in a domain name and then flip it for hundreds of dollars. He's going to teach you how. Go grab this one. This one is great. You're going to love this.